Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Ron again from wahpinas.com. And today we're unboxing something new. Well, kinda new. Okay. If you see on my table, I have a ton of different types of smartwatches that I have here. I have the Xiaomi. I forgot what this is. I have the Huawei. I have a China phone, something like that. And I also have old traditional watches like this, right? Okay. I think this is, what's this? Rudy Project, and this is Orient. Okay, so watches, you wear watches for different occasions, but the problem with most smartwatches is that they all look like this, or this, unless you're able to afford the 4,000, 5,000 peso watches. Okay, I like watches like this because it looks elegant, and if you're in a formal situation, you'll probably need it. This looks better, right? Problem is, the old style watches like I have don't connect to my phone. So I went to Shopee the other day and I found this. It's called the LIGE 2020 Fashion Full Circle Touch Screen Men's Smartwatch IP68 Waterproof. Okay, so I ordered it for 1,299 pesos only, and it finally arrived after a couple of days. It's from mainland China, right? So when you open it up, you will see the charger, okay, a manual, a pointy thing pin, okay, and the actual watch. If you look at the actual watch, it's heavy. It's actually even heavier than the Orient or the Rudy Project watch I have here. Okay, and as you can see, it says here IP68 waterproof, full charge before use. Okay, so we're gonna try to charge it now and see exactly what's going to happen when you plug it in for the first time. So we're gonna use a power bank for this one. Okay, open it up. And as you can see in the back, okay, there's two contact points where you need to, and it's charging. So we'll charge it a little later. To open the bracelet, okay, as you can see, there's this thing covered by blue plastic, right? Okay, what you need to do is press on both sides and voila, it opened. Okay, this one is used to remove pins here so that it will fit your wrist. As you can see, mine is too big. I need to remove probably 2 or 3 links from the cuffs. So we'll try it now and we're gonna take a shot of it. So we finished adjusting the strap. As you can see, there's power. Okay, this is the power button, this is the back button. Okay, so it goes back. Okay, so when it's on, you swipe right, it goes to the different exercise modes. So there's 2 screens. Okay, when you go swipe left, okay, see there's a step counter, BP, blood pressure, heart rate, sleep, messages, and the other functions. Okay, and if you look at the manual, there's a QR code that you need to scan so that you can install the app. So we're gonna try it now. So When you scan it, it's going to give you choices where to get it. You can get it from Google Play. As you can see, it's the TFIT. Okay, so we're going to install it now on the Xiaomi Pocophone F1. So we're installing the app now. Allow. Only when using app, allow. Okay. Turn on Bluetooth. Well, let's turn off my Wi-Fi so we don't get unnecessary. So it finally connected and is asking to pair now. So we allow it. Okay. It's connected. So we back, and you can see what things you can do. Okay. So we're gonna. Okay. So we're going to open the notifications. Okay, so we're gonna try to sync data. Okay, band function settings, screen upon racing, yes. Drinking reminder, no. Okay, unless that's for beer. Message reminder, yes. Okay, we've already done that. Wallpaper push, it's not working. Let's see if it will search the device, and it works. See, it's making ching 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 ching. Okay, so we're gonna set up our data. Okay, so what run, I'm of course a man. Okay, my height, not sure, it's 5'9". Okay, we'll put it there. Unit system, same. Okay, and I'll put my birthday later so that of course you guys don't see it. Okay. So there are other things that you can do. You can apparently change your wallpaper for your watch. As you can see, I change it in the wallpaper push. Okay, there's different phases of the watch that you can use also. Just go to the wallpaper push, upload your picture that you want, and the watch face becomes like that. It's a picture of my kids. Okay, so we've been able to set up the FB, oh shit, it almost fell, the messenger and all the stuff sync to show, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it because it's big. Okay, compared to the other phones that I've used. As you can see, my wife just sent me a message that she loves me. Yeah. Okay, so it shows up, it's big, you can easily read it even when you're driving, which is the problem I have with all these other smart watches that I have on my table. Okay, and if you look at it, this one, see, okay, there's another message just coming in. As you can see, it's bigger than the Orient, and almost as even bigger than the Rudy Project watch that I have here. Okay, so this is supposed to be waterproof. You can check it out and all that stuff. Someone keeps messaging me. Okay, so let me know what you think about it. Looks like it's good. For me, we're gonna test out the battery life and the rest soon. I'm not pretty sure about the bracelet lasting if you're gonna always wear it when you take a bath and all this stuff, but you know, hey, not everyone wears a watch when they're taking a bath. So let me know what you think about it. We'll let you know. We'll do a full review after a couple of weeks while we're using it. Thanks guys, bye.